Hey everyone, here I'm going to tell you how to change your coolant level sensor on BMW E36s and a lot of other BMWs. So the sensor is mounted down here, and I went ahead and already disconnected the cable sensor from it. So just to be careful, these are plastic. There's one release on the bottom, and you would just press that in, and it unlocks that little tab, and then you can pull it out. So I went ahead and put it back in really quick, and then put your finger underneath it and pull it out, and then it will just come out. So be careful, plastic. This is like 25 years old. Don't want to break it. So then I went ahead and loosened the top part of the reservoir, coolant reservoir. So I disconnected all this so I could get some play in here. The fitting down here is a 30 millimeter, or the hex on it is. So I was able just to go and fit that 30 millimeter over here and loosen it. And I had to loosen, like I said, that whole reservoir just to be able to get that over. Okay, so before you loosen it, make sure you have a pan of some sort underneath it to catch all the fluid. And then once you loosen it with the wrench, you can use your hand and just go ahead and take it out, and all that extra water that was in there, coolant, will come out. Okay, so mine's loose. So I had to be able to pull this guy up a lot to be able to get the sensor out, and you can see it right there. Pull it up as high as you can, being mindful of the hoses, and then you can get the sensor out. So this is an old sensor versus a new one, right next to each other. So the little metal ring inside of here goes on this, and it has this little cap. And so my cap had broken over time, and the float just came off, so I wasn't able to get a sense of the coolant anymore. So like 10, 12 bucks off of Amazon or Rock Auto or any other place else online. So that's it. Basically just reinstall it the same way and then fill it up and go from there. If you have an onboard computer, you can test it by leaving a sensor like this, which would be coolant low, or you can try it upside down like this, which would be coolant full. And you can see if the air comes on or off, and if you know it goes off, then that was your issue.